It's cheerful, happy, vivacious, just like you. Ingredients. Guys, I'm absolutely delighted because we're getting thick into the holidays and I've prepared a cranberry orange ricotta cake. So, cranberries, oranges, I know there is a lot of desserts into the holidays that embody these ingredients, but I wanted to make a pasta win. I wanted to give it a little spin. So we are creating a soft, delicious ricotta embodied cake that becomes your classic cranberry and orange, upside down cakes. Why are we making it with ricotta? I don't know, it just gives me the idea, like just in the old ancient times, where ricotta used to be part of our breakfasts, that you can use this cake during the holidays as a little breakfast snack where you're enjoying your coffee, your latte, your cappuccino, whatever you prefer. But I wanted to sit on the counter and give that sensation of, this gorgeous little treat that you can have at different times throughout the day. So, what does this cake have as its main ingredients? We've got, of course, orange. We're gonna use the zest and the juice. The cranberry, we're gonna be creating a little cranberry jam. It's not just cranberries tossed. We wanna make them a little sweeter because they can be a little sour as little elements, but packed full of great vitamins and nutritional value. Ricotta, the baking soda, which we love to use, this vanilla baking powder that comes from Italy. We get it on Amazon. Very simple. It's mixed with vanilla, so it also adds that little extra flavor to it. Light brown sugar, of course. Avocado oil, which I love to use instead of vegetable oil, which usually comes with mixed seeds and whatever. We don't like to use seed oils. Eggs and flour. It's super simple, but let me tell you, unbelievably gorgeously delicious. I think the ricotta takes it to a whole new level. So let's start by making the jam. For the jam, get a little saucepan, put the cranberries in, glass of water and light brown sugar. Ricotta, light brown sugar, and now we whisk to make it smooth, just like you. Now we add one egg at a time and we whisk as we go. The zest of one whole orange. One of the things I really liked is to combine whole cranberries in the baking process with the cranberry jam that is already pre-sweetened with the light brown sugar, a little orange juice. It's just, I don't know, it just made it so much more extra. Now avocado oil. Now we sift the flour in. Baking powder, pinch of salt. And now let's prep our cake pan. Set this aside. We're using a regular spring cake pan. Line it with parchment paper, of course. Now we cut it around. I'm just getting so excited. Getting into the holiday spirit. The jam is jamming. Smells absolutely divine. And it's ready. Let it cool down for just a few minutes. Ooh, look at that. It's gorgeous. We have a mixture of the jam and whole cranberries uncooked that go at the base, just for extra sourness, mixed with the jam. Mostly for visual purposes. I like different consistencies. different things are happening here. We're very gently using a spatula and distributing the cake batter to all the edges as far as possible till the edges. However, remember that this is going to rise in the baking process, and you kind of do want that kind of dripping of the jam to the side idea here. It's a specific aesthetic that I'm trying to achieve, and hopefully we can get it perfectly on the full baking. It's gonna be incredible. Porca miseria. And now let's bake it in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Got some sugar-coated cranberries that go in top for garnish. Look how cute. So holiday, feeling inspired. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Guys, and with today, not only I wanted to show you this gorgeous cranberry and orange ricotta cake, which is absolutely on a new level of divine, really. But also, I really wanted to give you some of the basics of how I think when I set up a table, which I don't think it's a new thing, but it's my thing, it's my way, it's my colors. It's a just gorgeous vibe, you know? Let's celebrate.